Aeroplane. What do you see on this cover? Biff, and she was playing with an model aeroplane. What was going to happen? Let's see. Biff made an aeroplane. She looked very happy about it. The aeroplane did not have any color. It was plain. Mom helped her. Mom helped to paint the aeroplane. What color were Mom and Biff using? They were using red. The aeroplane looked good. Biff wanted to fly it. She went to the park. Biff was going to sling the aeroplane. The aeroplane flew up. Wow! It went very high up. It went over the trees. The children were chasing after the aeroplane. Wow! The aeroplane flew so far away. It went over the houses. Who was this? It was Floppy. The aeroplane was flying to the family's house. Oh no! Biff thought she lost the aeroplane. Biff looked for the aeroplane. Everyone helped. Biff and Dad were looking into the bushes. Mom was asking a man about the aeroplane. Could Biff find the aeroplane? Biff looked and looked. She looked everywhere. But she could not find it. The family went back home. Biff was sad. She wanted to cry. She went upstairs. Oh, poor Biff. Biff opened her bedroom door. Hooray! The aeroplane was on the bed. How did the aeroplane come back to the house? Do you remember the aeroplane was flying over the houses? It flew by the family's house and flew into Biff's room through the open window. What a coincidence! And that's the end. Biff's aeroplane. Biff and Mom make an aeroplane.